So there are two primary purposes for creating custom views. The first purpose is to limit the amount of cameras that an individual can see when they log in. For example, you may have 20 cameras on your gateway on your system, but you want your coworker to only see 5 of those cameras. This is where a custom view would come in hand. The other purpose is to take cameras from different gateways that are located in different cities or states or countries and place those cameras on the same screen, i.e. a custom view. Now once you're logged in with your account, the first thing you'll want to do is go over to your Settings tab. It's located on the right hand side and it's shaped like 2 gears. Click on that, and then from there we're going to click on Views. Now this is a new view we're creating, so it's going to redirect me to my account, and then under my account I can click on Add New View. So under General, you're able to name the view whatever you wish to name it. So for this demo, I'm going to name it Demo Views. This is how it will appear in your Views tab. And then from there, you're going to choose from the gateways you wish to pull cameras from. Open up those gateways and you'll see all the cameras listed underneath it. And then click and drag the cameras that you want over to the Assigned Cameras section. Now it does matter which order you put these in, because that is the order that the cameras will appear in your view. So if you need to rearrange them, you can do that here. Once I've chosen my cameras, I can click on Users and then choose the users that will have access to this custom view. So I'm going to add myself. Scroll back up to the top, click Save. And now the custom view has been created. And I can see here under my View section, right here, Demo View. There it is. Now a small footnote that I need to mention. In order to add users to a custom view, those users will first need to have full access to the gateway. So you'll need to create the user account and add them to the gateway the normal way. Once you've done that and you've added the user to the custom view, you'll then need to go back into each of the gateways that you used and remove their original account from the gateways. This will allow them access to CloudView and allow them access to the custom view, but not allow them access to the actual gateway with all the cameras. So as you can see, I just removed myself from one of the gateways and I'm about to do it to the other gateway. So I go to my Settings tab and then click on Users and then find that account and click on the Delete, and it deleted that user account. Now if I go back into my Views section here, you can see that only the demo custom view is still there.